I'm Ron from Kolleno, your trusted partner for accounts receivable management. Today, I will guide you through reactivating a suspended subscription line item in SuiteBilling. So first I will go to Transactions, Subscriptions, Create Subscriptions List. I will choose one of the subscriptions by clicking on View. Then in the Actions menu, I can click on Reactivate. That page is very similar to the ones that you would have, for example, for termination or suspension, active date, modification type, new or churn, upsell or downsell, and ignored. You will need to click on the line items here that you want to apply. Obviously, if the line item checkbox is grayed out, it means that it's not available for reactivation. When you're done, you will click on Save, subscribe to this channel, and make sure to visit kolleno.com to send your invoices created via SuiteBilling. Bye-bye.